CFMOTO empowers the world with adventure and passion. Through the Powersports innovation, CFMOTO shares the riding fun with people from over 100 countries and regions. It is this impetus that drives CFMOTO towards the mission of becoming a global premium powersports brand. From the first liquid-cooled motorcycle engine to the exciting portfolio of motorcycles, off-road vehicles, parts, garments, and accessories. From made in China to the strategic cooperation with top European motorcycle manufacturer. From the establishment of the 4 R&D centers globally to the overseas manufacturing facilities in Thailand and Mexico. Globalization has been driving us to becoming a premium powersports brand. As one of the national technology centers, CFMOTO has developed various core technologies that filled the industry gaps. CFMOTO is also one of the drafters of 13 national standards, 719 valid patents, 189 overseas patents, and 38 inventions are the best proof of our R&D capability. Industrial Internet of Things has been continuously empowering our manufacturing and helped us in the digital transformation from intelligent manufacturing to intelligent management, from intelligent supply chain to smart products and industrial ecosystem. Internet of Vehicles has facilitated CFMOTO to become a new member of the Smart City. In China, CFMOTO has over 500 stores and service stations throughout the country. Globally, CFMOTO is present in more than 100 countries and regions and is the first choice of over millions of users. We are committed to discovering and sharing the riding fun in both work and play, and exploring an exciting lifestyle with our users all over the world. CFMOTO is always on the way of ceaseless discovery. We ride, we enjoy, and we empower the future. CFMOTO.